How to get driving license in your first attempt. In this video I will explain you, step by step all rules, so you can get easily your driving license. Before sitting in the training car, always remember, SMS. S for seat. M for mirrors. S for seatbelt. Step 1. Adjust your car seat. Use a lever under your seat to adjust forward and backward your seat from steering handle. Use this lever to pull up or pull down your car seat. Use another lever to adjust your back straight. Correct posture for driving. Step 2. Mirrors adjustment. Center mirror adjustment. Adjust your car center mirror, that you can see your back window fully. Don't use your left hand and don't adjust from front side. Adjust your left mirror that you can see back door steel handle easily. Adjust your car right mirror that you can see back door steel handle. Step 3. Seat belt. Buckle up your seat belt. Always use your right hand to pull out the seat belt. Keep your right hand on buckle. Use your left hand to pull out the belt. Then buckle up. Example: